Imagine making money online while you sleep, not because you're selling a product or running ads, but because AI is literally creating content for you that people are paying for. Sounds insane, right? But that's exactly what's happening in 2025. Beginners, people who just months ago had no clue how to use AI, are now pulling in extra cash every single week just by using the same tools that you and I have access to right now. And here's the kicker. You don't need to be a writer, an editor, or even a creative type. You just need to know how to plug into the right AI tools, guide them the right way, and set up content that keeps working for you. This isn't just theory, it's already happening. And in today's video, I'm going to break down how everyday beginners are making real money with AI content creation. Now, if you've been following along, you know we just wrapped up two huge topics. First, we talked about the rise of AI automation agencies and why everyone in 2025 is buzzing about them. Then, we broke down exactly how to launch your own agency from scratch. Those videos laid the groundwork for understanding how powerful AI has become when it comes to building businesses. But today, we're zooming in on something even more beginner-friendly, faster to start, and insanely scalable: AI content creation. This is the side hustle that doesn't require you to land big clients or build a full agency. Instead, it's something you can literally start today from home with nothing but your laptop and the tools I'll show you. But before we dive into the good stuff, let me pause real quick. If you're serious about learning how to build faceless AI businesses, create passive income streams, and take advantage of this insane wave of opportunity, then make sure you subscribe to AI Hustle Hub. This is where I share step-by-step guides, the exact tools you need and strategies to grow faster than most people even think is possible. Don't just watch other people cash in on AI. Subscribe now and join the movement so you don't get left behind. All right, now let's get into it. AI content creation has exploded for one simple reason: attention. Everyone is consuming more content than ever before, whether it's YouTube videos, TikToks, blog posts, ebooks, or even newsletters. And the demand for new, fresh, entertaining, and educational content is endless. But here's the twist. People don't actually care who makes it. Most of the time, they don't even realize or think about whether a human or an AI created it. What they care about is whether it's good, whether it solves a problem, or whether it entertains them. And this is where AI comes in, because now tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and even image and voice platforms like Midjourney and 11 Labs let beginners create content at a level that used to take entire teams. That's why so many people are rushing into this space. It's the closest thing to an unfair advantage in the content game right now. Think about it this way. In the past, if you wanted to start a blog, you needed to know how to write. If you wanted to start a YouTube channel, you needed to get good at video editing, scripting, voiceovers, maybe even hiring people. And if you wanted to start a TikTok brand, you had to record yourself on camera and figure out how to make engaging clips. But in 2025, beginners are skipping all of those roadblocks. They're using ChatGPT to generate SEO-optimized blog posts in minutes, Claude to polish scripts and make them sound natural, Midjourney to create thumbnails and social media graphics, and 11 Labs to generate professional voiceovers without ever recording their own voice. Some are even plugging all of this into automation platforms like Zapier or Make.com to schedule, publish, and repurpose their content across multiple platforms without lifting a finger. Here's where it gets exciting. Beginners aren't just creating content for themselves, they're monetizing it in different ways. Some are starting faceless YouTube channels where the AI writes the script, generates the voice, and even creates the video. These channels are already pulling in ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate commissions. Others are pumping out blog content with ChatGPT and using it to drive traffic to affiliate links or digital products. Some are running faceless Instagram and TikTok accounts, all fueled by AI-made content, and then monetizing with brand deals. And here's the crazy part. These aren't advanced marketers. These are regular people who simply realize that AI lets them compete with professionals overnight. And let me give you an example of how fast this can move. Someone can literally wake up tomorrow, open ChatGPT, type in, "Write me 10 TikTok scripts about productivity hacks," and within minutes, they'll have a content plan for the entire week. Then they run it through 11 Labs, overlay stock footage or AI-generated images, and upload. A year ago, that would have required hours of research, editing skills, and confidence on camera. Today, it's plug and play. And when one of those videos pops and hits 1 million views, which happens all the time, you're looking at instant growth, new followers, and real money on the table. Now, I know what you're thinking, but if everyone is doing this, won't the market get saturated? That's a valid concern. But here's the truth. The internet is massive, and attention is endless. What looks saturated from the outside is really just an endless ocean of opportunities. AI doesn't eliminate creativity. It multiplies it. And the people winning right now aren't just the ones pressing a button to spit out generic content. They're the ones who combine AI tools with human creativity, strategy, and consistency. For beginners, that's amazing news because it means you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You can start small, focus on one platform, and build from there. Example 1. AI-powered TikTok growth. Imagine starting a TikTok page that posts quick motivational clips without ever showing your face or using your own voice. With ChatGPT writing short, punchy scripts, 11 Labs creating smooth voiceovers, and Mid-Journey designing eye-catching backgrounds, you can pair everything with trending audio and upload multiple times a day. In just a couple of months, it's realistic to grow to tens of thousands of followers, land a viral video, and begin monetizing with affiliate links or paid brand deals. And the wild part? TikTok rewards consistency. The more you post, the more chances you have for a viral hit. And AI gives you the ability to post at a volume no solo creator could keep up with manually. Example 2. Blogging with AI. Home office setup niche. Take the example of a blog built around home office setups. Using ChatGPT, it's possible to pump out detailed guides like top 10 budget desk chairs or how to set up dual monitors, all optimized for Google search. Add AI-generated infographics or product comparisons, and the blog starts ranking for long-tail keywords. Over time, steady traffic builds up, and with affiliate links to Amazon products like standing desks and monitor arms, the site can generate passive commissions month after month. And remember, Google loves fresh content. That means the more you post, the higher your chances of hitting those page 1 rankings, and AI makes it easy to consistently push out quality content without burning out. Example 3. Freelancing with AI tools. Picture offering freelance services on Fiverr or Upwork, blog writing, social media posts, or even simple video editing. Instead of doing everything manually, you use ChatGPT for polished drafts, Grammarly for refinement, and Surfer SEO for optimization. Clients get fast, high-quality results, and you're able to charge more while spending less time on each project. With consistent delivery, this kind of setup can realistically grow into a $2,000 plus per month side hustle. And here's the kicker. Once you build up reviews and credibility, it lets you scale even faster by handling more clients at once, something freelancers in the past could only dream about. And here's why AI content creation is such a good entry point. The startup cost is almost zero. You don't need to buy expensive gear, hire a team, or spend years learning technical skills. Most of these tools have free or low-cost plans that are more than enough to get you started. The only real investment is your time and consistency. If you're willing to put in the work to learn the tools and post consistently, you can build something that grows month after month. That's why beginners are jumping into this space. It's one of the lowest risk, highest reward hustles out there right now. But let me be clear, this isn't a magic button. AI is powerful, but it doesn't mean you can just hit generate and watch the money roll in. You still need to think about your niche, your audience, and your strategy. The people succeeding with AI content creation aren't necessarily the ones with the fanciest tools. They're the ones who are consistent, strategic, and willing to test and improve as they go. That's what separates the people who make a few bucks here and there from the ones who build real, scalable income streams. So, if you're a beginner wondering where to start, here's the simple playbook. Pick one platform, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, blogging, or Instagram, and focus all your energy there. Use AI to create content consistently, and then slowly layer in monetization like ad revenue, affiliate links, or digital products. Don't try to do everything at once. Start with one lane, master it, and then expand. That's exactly how beginners are making money with AI right now. And it's exactly how you can too. And listen, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and actually build a faceless AI business that makes money while you sleep, then make sure you're plugged into AI Hustle Hub. This is where I share the exact tools, strategies, and step-by-step systems to help you turn side hustles into full-time income. Don't just watch I Change the Game. Be part of it. Hit that subscribe button, join AI Hustle Hub today, and let's build your AI-powered business together.